5x5 closure unit from YGWigs. As you can see, I like to just go ahead and show y'all the unboxing of the video so y'all can see exactly how I received the hair. This unit that I am going to be showing you today is going to be a 5x5 lace closure wig. The hair texture is going to be kinky curly. The length is 20 inches. The hair color is a natural color, and the density is going to be 150% density. Now, as you can see, this is the natural texture that you get straight out of the pack. I did not wash the wig because it didn't need it, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the construction of the wig. It comes with your standard combs. There are 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 in the back, and then it gives you elastic band just to go ahead and make the wig snug or loosen it up if you would like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a traditional middle part. I like to go in and define my curls. You can wear it in the big natural state, but I like to go ahead and define the curls. That way, as the hair goes through day by day and it gets fluffier, it looks uniform and together. So these are the products that I'm going to be using on the unit. I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all how I define the curls. I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to put this wig on. I'm talking about throw this wig on and go once you have everything in place. And what I love so much about the closure wigs is they are completely glueless, sis. I love it. So I'm going to stop rambling because I'm actually going to come in a few minutes and give y'all a full review of this unit. So make sure you stay tuned. As you can see, I've already previously shown you exactly how I went ahead and I defined these curls. I did let the hair dry overnight. I try to, if I can, try to minimize as much heat as possible with my curly units. I did show you how I had to go in and flatten down the top portion of my wig because for me, I do like to make sure the wig is flat, sis. Like that's like one of my top three things that I am looking for when it comes to wig. Is definitely going to be the flatness. It might be number 1, honestly. The flatness of the top part of the wig. So the hot comb definitely does a great job with that. So since I already used the hot comb on the hair, I didn't want to go in and blow dry the hair. So I just put the hair on my wig head and I let the hair dry overnight. And before the morning, it was completely dry. Now, what I love so much about this unit is it is a 5x5 unit, meaning I have an extra inch of parting space. Usually when you typically get a closure wig, it is 4x4, meaning there's 4 inches from here to here and then 4 inches from your forehead back. And with this, it gives you that extra parting space. And another thing about the parting space, I didn't really have to pluck it because with the technique that I use with my powder, I just go ahead and put a little bit of powder on there and boom, ma'am, we are good to go. Now, I did do the glueless method on this unit, so there's no gel, no glue. We definitely want to make sure we're doing these styles as quickly and as protective as we can get them. And for me, with units like this, especially the closure wigs, I love to just get away with taking a break from putting all of that product on the top portion of my head, trying to blend it in. It's summertime, we got sweat going on, and then I'm already wearing makeup, it's just a bad combination. It can be a bad combination right now during this season. So I did just go ahead and put the 2 combs that came on the wig on the side. I put those inserted those inside of my braids, and then I have a comb in the back. They do give you an adjustable band inside of the unit, but I have a large head, so I didn't even have to wear mine. But if you have to wear it, definitely make sure you do that so you can make sure your wig is secure, because I know most people, they always ask about the combs. For me, I don't usually have any issues with the combs, but if I do, I'll kind of give myself a break. Like, say if I'm out and I'm kind of getting a feel of the combs and they're kind of irritating me, I'll just take one comb out at one time for maybe like 30 minutes, and then I'll put that one back, and then I'll unloose the other one, just to make sure I still have some security when it comes to my wig. Or if my wig is large enough, I will go ahead and adjust the elastic band. I love the way that the curls turned out with a new product that I was trying. Typically, you guys, I like to go in with my styling mousse. I'm telling you, this styling mousse is the best, but I currently ran out, so I did go ahead and use some conditioning gel that usually you'll use for your natural hair. I used that and I love it. It had more of a cast to it, so I did have to go ahead and break that cast down. Kind of had like a small crunchiness to it, which is typically not what I go for when it comes to my curly units. But the BioSilk did go ahead and take care of that. I promise you, if you are rocking curly hair and you don't have this, you gotta go get it, sis. They sell it at most of your discount stores, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross. They have it there. Or if you want to just go ahead and get it from Walgreens like I did, you can get it there as well. I'm not sure. I want to say that they sell this in Ulta too. I'm not sure, but just check online. It's called BioSilk. They'll have, shoot, Amazon might have it too. Y'all already know how Amazon do. They got everything. So I definitely went ahead and just moisturized my hands with that. And I didn't rake my hands through the hair. I just went in and I just kind of just broke up the cast like that. And that's what I got. And so, like I said, I would rather use the styling mousse on curly hair, so I am going to insert that on the screen so you can see exactly what I would typically use. But since I didn't have it, you gotta work with what you got. And so that's exactly what I did. Other than that, y'all, I am loving this unit. Y'all already know I'm gonna put all of the information down in the description box below. If I have a coupon code, I'll definitely make sure I put that down as well, so you can get you a little bit of money off, sis, if you can. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin.